Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this iconic silver 2020 Ford F-150. In the XLT trim, this F-150 comes packed with a 302-way equipment group, the XLT Sport package, and the Max trailer tow package with integrated trailer brake control. Other notable features of this F-150 include front heated seats, a power driver's seat, cruise control, and Bluetooth. And you can use this touch display screen to control your audio systems, as well as view the feed from your backup camera. A power outlet and a 110-volt outlet, air conditioning, and 2 USB ports. The rear seat does feature a power port, a 110-volt outlet, as well as 2 USB ports. It also features a split folding seat so that you can configure the rear area for extra cargo or passenger use, depending on your needs. Thanks for watching. Now there is a lot more to show you about this Ford F-150 than I can show you in this quick video, so go ahead and click that link below in the description. And you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store or if you want us to bring this F-150 out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have a great day.